What's in a smile? To us, everything that matters in this world. A smile means a healthy life for all people, their pets, and our planet. A smile means welcome and you belong. A smile is the courage to look forward, to believe in new and better ways. A smile is the reward for perseverance and answers found. Every day, for over 200 years, we have poured our care into creating a future where everyone has more reasons to smile. So when you see your family glowing with vitality, when your home is not just clean but vibrant, when you see your pet full of energy and life, you will find that feeling well inside you and a smile coming to your face. That smile is why we keep innovating, creating products that become a trusted part of daily routine for billions worldwide. That smile is how we change the world by making each life a little better every day.